Number F. We will simplify these indices. Last video we already complete A, B, C, D and E. This video we are starting from F. So our question is a to the power minus 1, b to the power 6 divide c to the power minus 6 d to the power 4. This is a first fraction times a b to the power 4 c to the power 5 divide a to the power minus 7. This is a second fraction. Divide, here is a cube b to the power 5 inside bracket to the power 2 divide c to the power minus 1 d to the power 3. So now we will segregate everything. First, in multiplication, look, here is a to the power minus 1 and b to the power 6. First fraction and second fraction we will not do anything until we will complete first bracket work. So here is a to the power minus 1, b to the power 6, c to the power minus 6, d to the power 4 times a b to the power 4, c to the power 5 divide d to the power minus 7. And we can do one thing, this is a divide sign, we can write multiply sign and flip the fraction, so it will become c to the power minus 1 d to the power 3. In divide we can write, here is a to the power 3 to the power 2. We know a to the power m to the power n, it means a to the power m times n's. So we can write like this, a to the power 6 and b to the power 10. Okay, one part complete. Now we will decide which one we will keep in denominator and which one numerator. And first thing, we will not keep any negative exponent. So here is a to the power minus 1 a, but in denominator we see here a to the power 6. So first one, we will not keep a in the numerator. So we can write like this, a to the power 6 and this minus 1 become plus 1 and only a, its power is 1, it will become minus 1. Okay, a part done. Now we will do b. b, here is b to the power 6 and look, here is b to the power 4. So we can write this one plus 4 and in denominator here is b to the power minus 10, it will become minus 10, right? Now c, here is 5, here is minus 1 and denominator here is minus 6. Okay, any other c available? C to the power 5 and c to the power minus 1. So we can write this minus 6 will become plus 6, right? Okay, number C done. D, look, where is D? D, here is d to the power 3 and here is d to the power 4 and here is d to the power 7. So we can write like this, suppose d to the power 4 minus 7 and these 3 will become minus 3. So A, B, C, D done and what will remaining? Nothing. Now look, so 6 plus 4 minus 10, it means b to the power 0 and here is 5 plus 6 is 11, 11 minus 1, it will be c to the power 10 and here A, here is plus 1 minus 1 out, it means a to the power 6 and D 4 and here is what? Minus 7 and minus 3, it will be minus 10 and it's a minus 6. We can write this one in denominator, numerator. So c to the power 10, a to the power 6 times this d to the power minus 6, we can write d to the power 6. So our answer is this. In here with this d we can write in here. Okay, no problem. C to the power 10, D to the power 6 and A to the power 6 is our right answer. Number G. Here is 3 fraction. First fraction is EF to the power minus 1 whole to the power 4 divide G to the power 2 H cube times second fraction is E to the power 6 F to the power 4 G square divide H, and third fraction E divide F to the power minus 2 whole to the power minus 1. So first we will work on bracket. Work on bracket. So first here is E to the power 4 and F to the power minus 4, and here G to the power 2 H cube times E to the power 6 F to the power 4 G square divide H. Second fraction we will unchanged, keep unchanged, and third fraction here is E to the power minus 1 and F to the power here is minus 2 times minus 1, it means only 2. Why this one? We know A square to the power minus 1, it will become A to the power minus 2, right? Now we segregate which one we will keep in denominator and which one we keep numerator. So first if you consider E, look, here is E to the power 4, E to the power 6 and E to the power minus 1. We know A to the power n times A to the power m times A to the power l. We can write A to the power n plus m plus l. In case if l become minus, that time here plus become minus. Why this one? Because in law we know once base are same, in product power will be add. So here is E to the power 4 plus 6 minus 1, right? Then look, here is F minus 4, here F plus 4, but in divide here is F square. So in this case we can keep F1 in denominator. So we can write minus F will become plus F, here plus 4 become minus 4, and here is plus 2, right? So E and F done. Then G. Here is G square and here is G to the power minus 2. So we can write like this, G square and this minus 2. Here is G and here is G. This minus 2 become plus 2, because as per negative exponent we know 1 divided A to the power minus 2 become A to the power 2, right? Now look, we can write E, F, G done, then H. H, what can we do? Here is H cube and here is H. So we can write H 3 plus 1. Now E become E to the power 9, because 4 plus 6 is a 10, 10 minus 1 is a 9. G means G to the power 4, right? And here plus 4 minus 4 out, F square, and here is H 4, and this is our answer. Very easy, but we have to keep concentrate about plus and minus sign. Silly mistake, the answer will be changed and you will get 0. So number G done. Now we will start number is, here is inside bracket 1 divide x plus x divide y whole to the power minus 2. So first we can do like this. Here is LCM xy. So here is y plus x square, right? Then y to whole to the power minus 2. This one we can write like this, 1 divided what? We can write y plus x square divide xy and here square. we are know about negative exponent. It means a to the power minus n. It means 1 divided a to the power n. Okay. Now look, this one we can write, here is 1, and this one we can write y plus x square whole square divided x square y square. Now we flip this fraction, so we can write x square y square divided, this one we can use or we can follow a plus b whole square theory. So y square plus 2y dot x square plus x square whole square. So our answer is x square y square divided y square plus 2x square y plus x to the power 4. Okay, very easy but very important, and we have to memorize that if any silly mistake, like here is negative exponent, if you miss this one, your answer will be wrong. So number A is done. Number A is done. So till we have to math I and J. Let's start. Number I is very interesting and very important math. Look, here is inside bracket lots of thing, but we will not do anything. We just write the answer is 1. Why? Because we know anything if power is 0, it means a to the power 0, the answer is 1. So everything inside bracket is a. So a to the power 0, it means 1s. No need to do anything. But if here is 1, 0, either 0 anything else, then we have to do or we have to continue, but here the answer only 1. Okay, thank you. Now we will start number J. J, this fraction in numerator 7 to the power x plus 1 times 2 to the power 2x minus 3 divide 14x to the power 14x minus 5. So first we can do like this, 7x plus 1 times 2 to the power 2x minus 3, we will not change anything. And this 14 we can write 2 times 7, it means 14, and here is x minus 5. This one we can write like this, 7 to the power x plus 1 times 2 to the power 2x minus 3, and in below we can write 2 to the power x minus 5 times 7 to the power x minus 5. Right? Now let's work about, look, here this is 7 base and here also base 7. So in once the base are same, in divided power will be subtract. So we can write like this, x 7 x plus 1 minus x plus 5, right? Then 2, in numerator 2 power is 2x minus 3 and denominator power is x minus 5, it will become minus x plus 5, right? Then this plus x minus x out, so answer is 7 to the power 6. And here look, 2x minus x, it's only x, and minus 3 plus 5, it will be plus 2, and this is our answer. So thank you very much, long time who are run with us. Here we are simplified 10th indices. First part we had follow or we had completed 5 math A to E, and this video we are trying to complete F to J. So first one A to E and second one F to J, and you will get the link in the description box. Thank you. One thing, if you think this video is okay for you or helping you, then you can share with others, and don't forget subscribe the channel.